Welcome trainers, it's Pack the Ripper here, back with another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the all-new Shrouded Fable mini display tin. Alright, let's get right into it. So we've got 20 packs to open up today, the brand new Shrouded Fable. Alright, so these are all going to be the same, but I'll show this once here. And the sticker. And then we got our 2 packs. All right. First pack here. Let's see if we can get anything good. Code card. One from the back. All right. Unlisted Leaf Energy to start us off. In the Hound Hour. Varoom. Toxicroak. Duskull. Binding Mochi, Malamar, Galvantula, Beware Reverse, Galvantula Reverse, and the Blood Moon Ursaluna Holo Rare. Alright. I also want to say, guys, thank you so much for the support on the last video. It really means a lot. We've already got to like almost 500 views in a day, which is really cool. So that's why we're doing this whole 20 pack opening for you today. Alright, starting off with the water energy here. The Absol, Fracture, Duskull, Toxicroak, Night Stretcher, the Sylveon, Galvantula, Binding Mochi, Seadra, and a Tapu Bulu. All right. Get into the next tin here. We have gotten some pretty good pulls from this set already, but I'd really love to see a special illustration rare or something really cool here. Alright, one from the back. Got the Fire Energy, reverse card, nice. The Eevee, the Dusclops, Horsey, Cufant, Kyurem, Hypno, Decidueye, Houndoom reverse, Decidueye reverse, and another Tapu Bulu. Alright. From the back, Fire Energy, the Varoom, Houndoom, Eevee, Dartrix, Academy at Night, the Kyurem, Hypno, Meowth Reverse, Malamar Reverse, and another Blood Moon Ursaluna. Alright, alright. A lot of the same cards. The set is pretty small, it does seem like. I think there's only, what, like 64 cards in the regular set? So you're bound to be doubling up a lot if you're going to open a lot of these packs. All right. Come on, can we get our first pull of today's video? The Unlisted Leaf Energy, Krogunk, Golbat, Axew, Houndour, Janine's Secret Art, Weavile, Slitherwing, Eevee Reverse, Horsey Reverse, and a Zoroark rare. All right. From the back here, Fire Energy, Toxicroak, Eevee. Does look like we might have something. Varoom, Zubat, Hypno, Chorus Tenacity, Yveltal, Cufant Reverse. Oh, wow, the Fracture illustration rare. Oh man, that's awesome. With the Axew over there in the background. I haven't seen this one yet, and that's beautiful. Awesome. All right, so I was wrong about seeing something in the back, but that is a beautiful card there. Wow. Nice. All right, our first hit of the day. Let's get into this next tin here. Seems to be the illustration rares are really the best looking cards so far. But not that we've seen much of anything else here. All right. Oops. from the back here. All right, the Steel Energy, Q-Font, Zubat, Rowlet, the Meowth, Genesect, Binding Mochi, Crobat, Dusknoir Reverse, Joltik Reverse, and a Monkey Dory for our first EX pull. It's crazy that we've gone this long and finally pulling a regular EX. All right, there we go. All right, here we are. All right, got the Lightning Energy here. The Toxicroak, Duskull, the Beware, Inkay, Academy at Night, Kyurem, Night Stretcher, Genesect Reverse, Veltal Reverse, and another Tapu Bulu. All right. About halfway through this display here. Come on, these ones are a little stuck. Oh, that one ripped nicely. From the back here. All right, another Hollow Energy, the Golbat, Persian, Dusclops, Rowlet, Power Glass, Binding Mochi, Malamar, Cresselia Reverse, Slitherwing Reverse, that's nice, and another Blood Moon Ursaluna. This reverse is pretty cool though, it's not like the regular pattern. All right. And from the back here. All right, another one of the Hollow Energies. Those seem to be pretty common to pull. The Seadra, Krogunk, Golbat, Persian, Night Stretcher, Chorus Tenacity, Yveltal, Chorus Tenacity Reverse, Haxorus Reverse, and a Zoroark Rare. All right, first tin of this second side here. Hopefully this second side can bring us some more pulls. Sorry, we're getting a little messy here, but that's what happens when you open 20 packs on camera. All right. One from the back. The Water Energy, Toxicroak, Eevee, Varoom, Zubat, Hypno, Chorus Tenacity, Yveltal, Hypno Reverse, Fracture Reverse, and a Haxorus behind that. All right. From the back here, spinning around. The Darkness Energy, the Drowsy, Horsey, Golbat, Axew, Night Stretcher, Chorus Tenacity, Yveltal, Houndour Reverse, Joltik Reverse, and another Monkey Dory EX. All right, there we go, our first giveaway card of the video. Awesome. Whoa, sorry about that. All right. All right, another Reverse Energy, the Stuffle, Rowlet, Furfrou, Toxicroak, Weavile, this guy, Crobat, Cooperaja, Slitherwing Reverse again, and Okidogi EX. All right, cool. All right, another EX card. All right, Unlisted Leaf Energy here. Duskull, Beware, Inkay, Drowsy, Janine's Secret Art, Iron Moth, Slitherwing, Hypno Reverse, Fracture Reverse, and a Haxorus. All right. Got 3 tins left, 6 packs. Can we make something big happen here? I'd really like to see a special illustration rare. Maybe some of the gold cards. I'm not sure what gold cards are in this set here. All right, Darkness Energy, Zorua, Qfont, Duskull, Axew, Hypno, Weavile, Galvantula, Stuffle reverse, Toxicroak reverse, and a Blood Moon Ursaluna again. All right, oops, let's look at another pack here. Got 5 packs left for this video. Getting quite messy here. Well, I'll clean it up after this just to move some stuff out of the way. All right, the Lightning Energy, Horsey, Golbat, Axew, Sneasel, Iron Moth, Cassiopeia, Sylveon, Academy at Night reverse, Haxorus reverse, and a Cooperage rare. All right, I'm just gonna slide some of this out of the way here so we have a little bit more room to see our pulls. Okay, there we go. All right, we'll get this out of the way here as well. Down to our last 2 tins. And we make it happen on the last 2 tins. Last one from the back. Here we go. All right, Steel Energy, Inkay, Drowsy, Joltik, the Horsey, Galvantula, Power Glass, Slitherwing, Dusclops reverse, Zubat reverse, and a Tapu Bulu. All right. 3 packs left. Come on, come on. Code card here. All right, so we got the Water Energy here. Beware, Sneasel, Zorua, Qfont, Academy at Night, Kyurem, Night Stretcher, Qfont reverse, Decidueye reverse, and the Blood Moon Ursaluna. Oh man, let's really hope we can get something out of this last tin here. Something big, come on. From the back here. All right. And a Reverse Energy, the Joltik, Houndour, Zorua, Beware, Sylveon, the Malamar, Janine's Secret Art, Stuffle reverse, Zoroark reverse, and a Tapu Bulu. Last pack magic. Come on. Let's see it here. For the end of the video, to get something good. Can we do it? All right, Water Energy to end us off here. And the Qfont, Inkay, Joltik, Drowsy, Night Stretcher, Hypno, Chorus Tenacity, Night Stretcher, Slitherwing Reverse, and a Blood Moon Ursaluna to end us off. Well, that was pretty rough, I'm not gonna lie. 3 EXs and 1 full art. I do absolutely love this illustration rare though, so can't complain. Pull rates are pretty tough in this set, it seems like, especially these tins. I got a lot more pulls just off of the boxes, so wouldn't recommend going for the tins. I would definitely say stick with the collection boxes and maybe wait it out for the ETBs. But all right, that's going to wrap it up for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next one.